In this video, I will show you how to download Python on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is python.org. On this website, you're going to see at the toolbar at the top, you've got a downloads option here. What you want to do is hover over this, and on this drop down menu, go ahead and click onto Windows. That's going to take you across to a page where you can see all the versions of Python that you can download for Windows. Now in this example, we're going to go ahead and download the latest release. So that's going to be at the very top of the page. What you want to do is give that a click. And then on the next page, scroll down all the way to the bottom and you're going to find the installer just down here. So we're going to download the 64-bit installer. So we're going to click to download this onto our PC. Once that's finished downloading, what we can do is come back to our desktop. And then if we come down to our search box at the bottom and type File Explorer, what we want to do is open up File Explorer underneath Best Match. And if we come over to the left hand side, what we want to do is locate downloads, give that a click, and you should see the setup in here. So what you want to do is double click to run the installation setup for Python. At this point, what you want to do is come down and take the two boxes to use admin privileges and to add python.exe to path. What I would also recommend doing is to customize the installation and making sure all of these options are selected. So for example, the pip, which is the installation manager for Python, which can download and install other Python packages, and also idle as well, which is the development environment. Then what you want to do is come down and click next at the bottom. And on this next screen, I would recommend coming up to the top and taking this option here to install Python for all users. By default, it's also going to take this box to pre-compile standard library. These three boxes here you can leave unticked. You can see this is set to install to our C drive, so all we need to do now is come down and click install. As you can see, Python is just running through and installing. It only takes a minute or two to install, but once Python has finished, you're going to get a screen like this saying setup was successful. So what we can do is just close this down, and all we need to do now is verify that Python was installed correctly. So to do this, from your desktop, come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click into your search box and type cmd, and then what you want to do is open up command prompt underneath Best Match. Then what you can do is type the following command into here, which is Python followed by a space, then you want to put two dashes and then version, and then hit enter. Now as you can see, this is confirming to me that this is the version of Python we've got installed, which is 3.13.2. Of course yours might be a different version. This is the version that's available at the time of recording this video, but as long as that comes up, we know Python has now been downloaded and installed successfully. What we can do is now go ahead and type exit, and you can begin to use Python on your Windows 11 PC. So that's how to download Python on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.